name is Danielle Charjanik. I work for the American Diabetes Association. It was wonderful to work with all the participants in the DPB program. They were very eager to learn more. It was fulfilling to see them reach their goals. It was nice to see how well they opened up with each other. I believe that I learned a lot from being a part of it as a life coach as well.
Recognizing that there are no existing diabetes prevention programs in Chicago, the opportunity was a great one for the American Diabetes Association to step into the prevention space in partnership with Habit New Diabetes and the virtual platform that it provides.
A specific result that I saw was that people saw changes in their diets and in their eating habits.
Well, I was glad to get on the program because I had no idea why I was even contacted. But once I was very excited to get on because I knew it was something I really had to get my act together on.
So as a lifestyle coach, I participate online and in the in-person meetings to facilitate the conversations as well as review the educational content. We're also there to make sure that people feel supported and answer any of the questions that they need to kind of keep going and stay on track.
I really like the video on the apps, and they're small videos, and sometimes I play them over and over. I really like the one on motivation. I like the discussion group, and I like the staff. It's a very supportive environment.
So I decided to get involved with this program because I work for the American Diabetes Association and I have type 1 diabetes, and I wanted to learn about the challenges that individuals who are dealing with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes are facing and see where I could lend any information and relatable tips, and also understand or get a better understanding of their struggles.
It has really held my feet to the fire. I am accountable for my diet, for the exercise. I would recommend Habit New to all of my friends, even my enemies.